Bossy. Mr. Busty. Sorry, girl. Well, go on, mama. Or papa, me fi say. Yo, you know want him. Man, you know want him. Fuck you up with them rascal. Man. Him always lay down for you though. Oh. Watch him now. Love when a woman pet him, you know. Asleep, you're asleep, man. Him frightened. Some frightening. Pig, them I see anything, you know. Right. Man, it's your boy Donny British, man. How are you guys doing? Crazy, me and my GF, my domestic partner, future baby mom, and my wife. All in one. She wanna show herself. So anyway, man, today I saw this thing about Quavo and fucking Sweetie. The little, I wouldn't even call it a fight. The little tussle, the little shift they had, man. Man, I wanna say, man, I'm on Quavo's side. I'm on Quavo's side. I don't have to underside the side of the story. I don't care about the side of the story. I'm riding with Quavo. That's the side I'm on. I don't give a fuck if Quavo was wrong or not, because this is my thing, man. Us men all have temper issues. Us men all have egotistic problem. Us men all have pride, and us men all have like serious no control when you pass a certain limit. Like our tantrums are so much like bigger, and you gotta ask yourself, as a female, when you're with a guy, right, and you know the guy anger is what you can't handle, because every fucking, I don't give a fuck if you're married for 60 years or married for 1 year, or if you've never been married. Every relationship leads to what you see happen in that elevator. There is nobody that can tell me that, you know, in my relationship, the next person has never made me feel less of a person, or the next person never said something to me that let me feel a bit devalued. But we just worked it out and it fixed. Every fucking relationship, yo, you see the relationship where you see all the kisses and the when they go argue, that guy's probably calling him a bitch, calling her a bitch. She's probably calling him a no good, worthless guy, a bitch. Like every fucking relationship goes through this. This is nothing new. Like, you don't fucking believe me? Quavo shit ain't no shit compared to fucking Ray Rice. Ray Rice knocked this bitch out, grabbed the bitch by the leg from the elevator and pulled the bitch into the hallway. That's what Ray Rice did to his wife. You get what I'm saying? Fucking only Jay-Z had to play the motherfucking bitch in that role, else he would have lost a bunch of Solange fucking hooked. Boom! Like, just imagine if fucking Solange, that's what the bitch name is, Beyonce's sister, whatever the bitch name is. Just imagine if that woman had knocked out fucking Jay-Z. You know what everyone would have been saying? Haha, Solange got knocked out Jay-Z on the elevator. Oh, Jay-Z's such a bitch. That's why people don't know people need to shut the fuck up, man. That's what they need to do, man. And stop acting like y'all have good fucking relationships, because y'all don't. Y'all can't pay your bills. Y'all not happy. Yo, People need to fucking stop. And most of you people that's in a relationship, y'all even don't know that your motherfucking man probably have like a whole family in a whole state, and that's why you guys are getting along, because he know that, okay, whatever, I'm not gonna have to deal with this bitch after this business trip until another month again. I'm just gonna go to the woman that's making me happy, and that's the reality. I know a lot of men with family. I know a lot of men with multiple families in the same state, across state, same country. So, you know, don't be a hypocrite. For example, I'm gonna show you how hypocritical the world is. My fucking ex-wife don't know her grandmother or grandfather. Don't know her grandmother, and she know her grandfather, sorry, but don't know her grandmother. Why? Because her grandmother that she has today is not her biological grandmother. Her grandmother that she has today is one of the many women that her grandfather got pregnant, because he used to be a big top guy in Jamaica, Bugs Campbell. That's how it is. A lot of, and then her bitch ass brother who wanted to cheat with Jessica is gonna try to tell me that I'm a terrible person for stepping out of my marriage when my marriage wasn't going right. People are hypocrites. Because Ricardo Ray, you wanted to cheat on Blake Simpson with Jessica. Fucking Jessica with the you lucky I don't know that Chinese bitch name. Else I would call that bitch name. Because you bitches pussies. I tell you that shit. Pussies, all you bitches and hypocrites. Just like the rest of the world going around. Man, I'm on Quavo's side. And I hope they work out. I don't want to see them break apart. You see, you motherfuckers, people be fucked up. People be seeing people happy, and you guys were just sitting and just hoping for this. Some of you people happy fucking Quavo and Sweetie ain't working out right now. Happy because that their life had something that you didn't have. And now you feel like, oh, they're like us now because they're single. Yeah, they go through problems just like us now. Yeah, I know that shit was looking too good to be true. You know, some of you guys are sad and pathetic. And you know what? You're going to die a loser. Some of you guys going to die a loser. Let me tell you that shit right now. Some of you guys are going to die a loser. You have never accomplished shit in your life. You will never accomplish shit in your life. You feel like you're going to accomplish something in your life. You're never going to accomplish nothing in your life. Fuck all you motherfuckers out there fighting these young fucking couple before somebody get on the phone with them, try to call, try to see what's going on before a lot. And shout out to all the news and media outlet that gave those people positive advice, man, because you don't know how easy it is for a rich person to turn off their own life. That's what people don't understand. You don't know how easy it is for someone with more resources to end their own life. You don't know, because remember, they have every fucking thing already. They have money, they have fame, they have all the stuff that a lot of people want. So when things not going right for them, and then you're on the internet, some of you bitches don't even have a fucking earbed to sleep on. Some of you motherfuckers sleeping on the floor. But you have all the energy to write comments and drag people through the mud. Some of you bitches ain't never gonna have love. Some of you people, your own dad don't love you, man. Your own fucking father who fucked and got you in the world don't love you. Your mom who pushed you out don't love you. Don't want nothing to do with you. And that's why you feel like you want to go around and make everybody unhappy, man. Anyway, man. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. And Quavo and Sweetie, man, you guys just need to work it out. But if you don't work it out, man, Iggy look like a nice bitch for Quavo. I'm just saying. Iggy and Quavo would make a cute couple. That's my recommendation. Or Rita Ora. But ASAP Rocky already have that. So you don't want to be in that lane. You gonna blame me? I didn't put the ASAP and Rita business out there. Somebody did. Anyway, take care, man.